akong baby a bed. Oh. Wow. Golden. Kinamera. Romy. Wow. What is that, babe? What you said that? Coloring? Huh? Color? Si Romy o si Joey? Kinsa ang isa? Wow. Wow, nagbuat-buat siya. Oh, nag-craft siya. Oh. Look at me, girl. Look at the way she holding the one. Scissors. Oh my God, siya wrong. But comfortable siya. Ayan, look at. Oh my gosh. Oh. Ayan, yung mga character niyo. Oh, ayan. Yan ang ano niya, comfort sa self bago matulog. Ganyan siya. Hanggat pagod siya. Yun, oh. Yan siya. Yan ninyo. Mahilig siya sa heart. Wow, like it. Heart. Wow. Or what is color that's then? Pink. Oh, another more. Huh? Another more, be? Ayan, mga gawain niya. Oh. Nagawa siya ng board. Ayan. Nag-create siya sa sarili niya. Oh. Ayan. Why? You need a board. You want a board? You want a board? You want a glue? I will buy you Elmer's glue. If you want a Elmer's glue, I think I have here, Bem. May I see, Bem? Na yung shower bathroom. Oh, look here. You can open the door. Look at guys. She making also the toilet tub. My gosh, my little girl. Smart girl. Look at my girl. Look at the toilet. My fan pa, button, flash. Ayan, may TV pa yan, oh. Wow, look at saka kitchen. Look at, guys. Wow, smart girl akong baby, oh. Look at. Oh, busy kayo siya. Oh, so busy, my girl. Oh, busy. Oh, girl. What you doing again, that one, be? Refrigerator? What's it that? Wow, nice. She's only the one who know what she's doing. What she doing, ano. Yan. Ang rep niya. Oh, ginawa. Ayan. Wow. 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 Ano ba yan? Natumba. Be, natumba, be. Be. Cover daw to. Natumba. Ang cabinet niya. Ayan, oh. Ayan. Wow. Patuloy na ng girl ko, oh. Ayan, may characters na, oh. Ayan, look at guys. She's the one who crafts this. Look at my refrigerator pa, oh. Ayan, may door pa, oh. Ayan, yung kitchen niya, may ano pa, pots. May frying pan, ayan. Oh, nag-imagine, may cabinet pa dyan, oh. Kitchen niya, oh. May character pa siya. May TV pa siya, oh. Ayan, yung TV niya, oh. Look at. May shower pa siya dyan. Oh, look at. Wow, smart my girl. Heaven, look at. Kanya yan. Gawa. In-overtime niya. Ngayon, tinuloy niya sa umaga. Ayan, yung mga gamit niya, oh. Look at girls. Pag maano siya, gusto niya. Moody-moody kasi ito, eh. Nagre-rest, oh. Ayan. Nag-ano muna, nag-relax. Saka, iano na naman niya, yan. It's already finished, B? Not yet. Huh? It's not yet? Finished already? No. You need to make it again? Wow, may ano, toilet pa siya, oh. Shower. May shower pa siya, oh. Bed. And TV. What is that? Oh. Oh. Oh, what is that, bed? What for that? Yan ang mga gawain ni Celestia. My girl. Ayan. Pag ano yung board, oh. Kasi yung box siya, oh. Yan ang gawain ni Celestia. Pag walang, ano, school. Mga arts niya, oh. Ayan, mga, ano niya, oh. Siya yan lahat. Oh. Galing-galing. Easy lang sa kanya, oh. Ako, nahihirapan ako nito, oh. Schoolyard. Ganda naman. Oh, talented ito. Smart. Napakaganda, oh. Gawa niya kahapon yan, oh. Yung flower. Tignan mo yung colors niya. May U. Why you have a U colors? Spelling of colors, B? Huh? Colors? Not in it. What is word that one? B? Why there is a U? Spelling. Why there is a U? Your color. Should be like this. Colors.
Colors.
Yeah, why you put U? Huh? Huh? That's wrong spelling, huh? Correct your spelling daw. Correct your spelling, B. Huh? Correct your spelling, please. Oh, na-bend yung ano. Ay, nag-bed siya. Na-chair siya. Nag-watch og TV. Wow. Nag-watch og TV. Who's this character, Ben? Who's that character? Celestia. Who's this character? Look at, nag-watch siya ng TV. Huh? Who's this character? What is name? This one.
Zoe.
Zoe daw. Zoe. Zoe. Wow. Zoe. Wow. Romy. Mara. Where's Mara here? What she is doing, Mara? Romy nag-cooking? Going the kitchen, hungry? Yeah. Wow. It's so great. Wow. Wow. You're so smart, baby. You have idea, oh. Oh. Really, may idea talaga ka, oh. Alam mo, ang ganda, be. Wow. Great, great, baby. Gutom akong baby. Hungry, hungry? Ay, gutom ako baby. Oh, nag-get siya siyang food. Oh. Wow, very good. That's food. Di, mami na lang cut it. Oh, independent na akong girl, oh. Be careful with the scissors, kay sharpen kayo. Careful, ah. Gutom siya, oh. Oy. That's good. Food good. Real food good, Bem, ha? That's good. No junk food. No cookies. That's good, Bem. Eat na siya. Oh, nag-eat na while watching sa kuwan yung baby bus. To make a flower. Wow. Popcorn game online. Wow.
Games.
Games daw. Wow. Wow, this is the one drawing of Bembel. Wow. And you is number 2, 1.
And 2, 3, 4.
Oh, there's the bees. There's the butterfly and the bees. Wow. Look at the colors of the bees. Wow. Cool, be. Cool, very cool. So cool. Play na siya. It's Saturday and siya oh, the butterfly. Oh. She's playing with cookies.
Waffle sticks.
Waffle stick? Wow. Nice. Wow, you feed JJ for your waffle?
Sticks.
Yeah. Wow. My girls enjoying playing. You enjoy playing with JJ? Wow, she's feeding with JJ waffle sticks daw. My girls. Our wall here, both sides is already full. Ano, sa drawing niya. So, yun ang mga gawain niya dito. Comfort yourself. Wow, look at this. So, she's drawing, oh. Wow, another character, oh. Wow. It's like a true, guys. Ayan, oh. Oh, tignan ninyo. Parang tuna. Galing-galing niya, oh. Ayan, galing niya. Si Estia mag-drawing. Oh, may gawa na naman. Paggabi, ganito talaga siya, oh. Busy herself. Busy. Ganyan talaga siya. Paggabi na. Naubos na yung mga ano niya. Yung isang rim na ano. Coupon bun.
Dandy.
At saka yung mga tape niya, oh. Paper tape. At saka glue na. Kailangan ko ito bilan ng kasi ito yung comfort niya. Support na lang ako sa girl ko. Ayan, oh, nag-crop na naman. Oh. Oh, dinikit niya, oh. Hmm. Ganyan siya, oh. Wow. Ayan, parang flower, oh. May tao. Hmm. Sa kanya lang yan. Oh. Ayan, oh. My girl. Huh? Naka-ano pa, naka-cellphone. Close na ng cellphone.
No, no.
Focus to your kwan. Your arts. Work. Focus your art. Uy, tamad na? Tapos na? Are you finished? Ah, you're done? Oh my gosh. Hinto na. Kasi, mamaya na naman yan. Ay, nako. Why? You're done? Celestia, you're done? You're done? Not yet. So, kagabi, oh, meron pa rin siyang ginawa, oh, bagong, oh, ayan, oh. Kaninang umaga, oh. My gosh, girl. Ayan, oh. Parang true yata, oh. Tignan niyo, guys, oh. Siya lang nakaalam ano yan. Ayan, oh. Characters naman na yan, na ewan ko sila yan. Ngayon, meron na naman. Dito, character na naman dito. Ewan ko. Gawa niya ngayong gabi. Ayan. Nag-play na namang cellphone. Tapos na siya sa drawing. Nahinto lang.